Welcome to KYC. Now we will be learning the first variation of Virabhadrasana in 7 steps. We will start with standing on the edge of the yoga mat. And step 1, spread your feet a little apart like this, such that you are standing on the edge of the yoga mat and your heels are on the same straight line. So how much to spread, that we will see on the step 2. On the step 2, make a fist and extend your arm sideways along the shoulder line, such that it is not above the shoulder or below the shoulder, it is along the shoulder. Now adjust your foot such that the distance between the feet and distance between your fist are nearly same, and make sure your head is straight and you may open your fingers. At the end of step 2, we will look like this, like a star. And step 3, I will be doing the asana on the right side first. You may watch my right foot. I am rotating my right foot to the right side like this, and my left foot facing straight. At the end of step 3, we will look like this. Step 4, bend your right knee such that your knee, leg and your heel are on the same straight line perpendicular to the floor like this. And step 5, rotate your upper body to your right side like this. Step 6, lift your arms up above the head to Namaskar position. And step 7, slightly bend back and lift your head up and keep breathing. After some breaths, you may come out of the asana following the same step in reverse position. Step 7, release the bend. 6, lower your arms down. 5, turn your body. 4, straighten your leg. 3, bring back the foot to the original position. 2, release your arms down. And 1, relax your whole body. To balance the effect, we will be doing on the other side also, following the same steps. Step 1, extend your foot. 2, arms up. 3, rotate your foot. Left foot to the left side. 4, bend your left knee. 5, turn to your left side. 6, raise your arms above the head. And 7, bend back and lift your head up. Keep breathing. Stay in the posture as long as you stayed on the right side. Now coming out of asana. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Thank you for watching.